Looking to build a killer gaming PC without emptying your wallet? Today I've put together the ultimate $700 gaming setup for September 2025, and it absolutely crushes at 1080p and even handles 1440p like a champ. Stick around to see how each part stacks up and why this combo gives you the best bang for your buck. Let's kick things off with the real MVP of this build, the graphics card. The RTX 5060 brings powerful 1080p performance and even dips into 1440p territory without breaking a sweat. Thanks to its next-gen DDR7 memory and updated DLSS 4 tech, games look sharp and run silky smooth. The WINDFORCE cooling system keeps it quiet and cool even during those marathon gaming sessions. Now, compared to its closest rival, the previous-gen RTX 4060, the 5060 offers better power efficiency and a noticeable bump in frame rates in modern titles. It's also significantly more affordable than cards like the 4070 or AMD's higher-end options, making it a sweet spot for gamers on a budget. And hey, don't forget to check the links in the description to grab one before they're gone. Backing up our GPU is the Ryzen 5 5600, a budget-friendly beast that still punches way above its weight. It's got 6 cores and 12 threads, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and multitasking without lagging behind. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or massive open-world games, this CPU won't bottleneck your graphics card. Honestly, it's amazing how much value AMD packed into this chip. If you're enjoying this build so far and want more like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button for future PC builds. And hey, give this video a thumbs up, it helps more than you know. For the motherboard, we're going with the B550M DS3H from Gigabyte. It's reliable, has all the ports you need, and supports PCIe 4 for faster storage and graphics performance. Plus, it's upgrade friendly, so you can easily drop in a more powerful Ryzen chip down the line if you ever want more juice. Memory is essential in modern gaming, and we've got a rock-solid setup here. We're using 16GB of CORSAIR Vengeance DDR4 memory running at 3200 MHz in a dual-channel config. That's the sweet spot for gaming right now, enough to run modern titles smoothly, and still leave room for background apps and multitasking. Storage-wise, this build comes equipped with the Samsung 990 EVO Plus. This is a super fast 1TB NVMe drive that launches your system and games in seconds. With blazing read and write speeds, it keeps loading times low and system responsiveness high. Trust me, once you go NVMe, there's no going back. To keep things cool and quiet, we're using the Peerless Assassin 120 SC from Thermalright. This cooler punches way above its price point with excellent thermal performance and whisper-quiet operation. Plus, it comes with ARGB lighting to give your setup that clean, modern glow. Powering the whole system is the CORSAIR CX650. It's a 650-watt unit with an 80+ bronze efficiency rating, meaning you get solid power delivery without breaking the bank. It also leaves enough headroom if you decide to upgrade components in the future. And to wrap it all up, we're housing everything in a stylish MUSETEX ATX case. It comes with 6 ARGB fans right out of the box, which not only keeps your temps in check, but also give your build that sleek gamer-ready vibe. The tempered glass lets you show off your components and lighting without compromise. And there you have it, the best $700 gaming PC you can build in September 2025. Every part here has been picked to maximize performance, balance, and future upgrade potential. If you want to check out any of the components or see current pricing, make sure to hit the links in the description. If you found this build helpful, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.